Central Park is a renowned urban oasis located in the heart of Manhattan, New York City. It spans over 843 acres, 341 hectares, and is one of the most visited parks in the United States. Here are some key details about Central Park. History. Designed by landscape architects Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Vaux, Central Park was established in 1857. It was created as a response to the city's need for green space and has since become an iconic symbol of New York City. Location. Central Park stretches from 59th Street to 110th Street, between 5th Avenue and Central Park West. Its strategic location makes it easily accessible to both locals and tourists. Features. The park offers a diverse range of attractions and features, including lush lawns, meadows, lakes, ponds, water bodies, and wooded areas. It is home to numerous iconic landmarks, including Bethesda Terrace, Bow Bridge, the Mall, Strawberry Fields, Belvedere Castle, and Central Park Zoo. Recreation. Central Park provides various recreational opportunities for visitors. It has designated areas for sports activities such as baseball, soccer, tennis, and basketball. The park also features cycling and jogging paths, horseback riding trails, and rowboats for rent on the Central Park Lake. Cultural institutions. Within the park, several cultural institutions enrich the visitor experience. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Met, located along the park's eastern border, showcases an extensive collection of art and artifacts. The American Museum of Natural History is situated nearby on the park's western side. Events and performances. Central Park hosts a wide range of events and performances throughout the year. These include concerts, theater productions, art exhibitions, and the famous Shakespeare in the Park series, which offers free performances of Shakespearean plays. Wildlife. The park is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including birds, squirrels, raccoons, and turtles. It provides a vital habitat for both resident and migratory bird species, making it a favorite spot for birdwatchers. Landscaped areas. Central Park features meticulously landscaped areas, including the iconic Great Lawn, Sheep Meadow, and the Conservatory Garden. These spaces offer tranquility amidst the bustling city and serve as popular spots for picnics, sunbathing, and relaxation. Visitor amenities. The park provides various amenities to enhance visitor comfort, including benches, picnic tables, restrooms, food vendors, and visitor centers. Additionally, horse-drawn carriage rides and bicycle rentals are available for exploring the park. Community engagement. Central Park plays a crucial role in fostering community engagement and social gatherings. It serves as a gathering place for New Yorkers and visitors from around the world, offering a respite from the urban environment. Central Park's beauty, accessibility, and diverse offerings make it a beloved destination for leisure, recreation, and cultural experiences in New York City.